We're going to explain how to add reference numbers in Roblox. There isn't a built-in reference number feature in Roblox's core scripting, but we can achieve a similar effect using different techniques depending on what you want to achieve. We'll cover a few common methods. 1. Using instance properties. The simplest way is to use an existing property of an object like a part or a model to store your reference number. Each part in Roblox has a property called name. You can simply change the name of the part to include the reference number. For example, if your reference number is 12345, you could name your part part_12345. This is easily accessible through scripting. Local myPart =workspace.part_12345. Print myPart.name will print part_12345, allowing you to extract 12,345 inches with string manipulation if needed. This method is ideal for simple scenarios where the reference number is unique to a single object. 2. Using a table. For a more organized approach, especially when dealing with many objects, you can use a table to store your reference numbers. This allows you to associate reference numbers with specific objects in a more structured way. First, create a table. Local reference table =. Then, you can add entries to this table that link the reference number to the object. For example, reference table 12345 =workspace.part1. Now, if you need to access the part with reference number 12345, simply use local myPart =reference table 12345. This makes retrieving objects much easier than searching through the workspace. 3. Using a module script. For larger projects, using a module script to manage your reference numbers is best practice. A module script keeps your code organized and reusable. Create a module script, and inside it, you can create functions to add, retrieve, and remove references. For example, a function could look like this: function addReference, reference number, object, reference table, reference number, =object, end. This function adds a new entry to the reference table within the module script, ensuring your reference system is contained and well managed. You would then require this module script into your main script to use these functions. This method prevents code clutter and improves the overall structure of your project. 4. Data stores for persistence. If you need your reference numbers to persist between game sessions, for example, players keeping track of items, you need Roblox data stores. You would store your reference number data, likely linked to a player ID, in a data store, and load it back when the player rejoins the game. This is more complex, but is necessary for any persistent data. You'll need to use the data store service and handle saving and loading appropriately. Remember to choose the method that best fits the complexity of your Roblox project. For simple scenarios, using the object's name property might suffice. For larger, more complex projects, using a module script with a table is highly recommended for maintainability and organization, and data stores are crucial for persistent data.